वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kelly Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Before you listen to today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar, answer one small question in your mind. Do you remember anything from when you were inside your mother's womb? Of course not, but someone remembered you. Someone took care of you when you couldn't breathe, speak, or protect yourself. This Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar starts exactly from there. Hukamnama Sahib by Bhagat Kabir Ji at tongue 481 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji in Rag Asa. So Bhagat Ji says, बिंद ते जिन पिंड किया अगन कुंड रहाया, which means the Lord created the body from sperm and protected it in the fire pit. So Bhagat Ji further says, 10 मास माता उदर राखिया बोहर लागी माया, which means for 10 months he preserved you in your mother's womb, and then after you were born, you became attached to Maya. Now Bhagat Ji is asking a question from all of us. He says, Prani, kahi ko lob lage ratan janam khoya, which means, O mortal, why have you attached yourself to greed and lost the jewel of life? पूरब जन्म करम भूमि बीज नाही बोया रहाओ. You did not plant the seeds of good actions in the earth of your past lives. The one who made this body from just one tiny drop and protected it safely even in fire. Think about that. From one tiny drop, eyes, hands, heartbeat, emotions, dreams, no instruction manual, no effort from us, and yet perfect care. For 10 long months, you were inside your mother. You didn't worry about what will I eat? Will I survive? What if tomorrow doesn't work out? Everything was taken care of. So now here's one question. When life could take care of us when we were helpless, why do you think it has stopped taking care of us now? So the Hukamnama says something very honest next. The moment we are born, we forget this care. And why do we forget this care? Because we get busy. We get busy. Now let's take one everyday example. For example, your mobile phone. The moment you wake up, you check it. Before sleeping, you check it. Messages, news, likes, worries. Now ask yourself, is the phone using you or are you using the phone? See, the problem is not the things. The problem is our attachment to them. So the Hukamnama calls this Maya. Now here Maya is not money, not phone, not family. Maya means living on an autopilot, forgetting why we are alive. I repeat, Maya means living on autopilot, forgetting why we are alive. Tell me something. This is a very important question. If life gave you this body with so much care, was it only to worry all the time, to chase endlessly, feel empty even after getting the things? So the Hukamnama asks us, why are you so much attached to greed that you are losing the jewel of this life? Strong line, but very loving. Now most of us keep saying later, later I'll rest, later I'll live, later I'll be happy, and suddenly years pass, and suddenly years pass. So we don't need a better life, we need a more aware life, and that's it. So what is this Hukamnama telling us today? Not to leave the world, not to stop earning, not to stop enjoying the gadgets. Just this, don't forget yourself while managing life. Pause sometimes, Breathe, notice, and ask yourself, am I living consciously or only reacting? Even one moment of awareness changes the quality of the whole day. I repeat, one moment of awareness changes the quality of whole day. You were protected in the womb. You are still protected. Life hasn't changed. We just stopped noticing. This Hukamnama is not scolding us. It's holding our hand and saying, wake up gently. This life is precious. Wake up gently. This life is precious. So here's one small assignment. Only for 60 seconds tonight before sleep. Keep your phone aside. Put one hand on your heart. Say it gently. Thank you for today. Help me live tomorrow a little more aware. That's all. 1 minute, one seat, because this human life is not ordinary. This human life is not ordinary. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Bhagat Kabir ji, lots of respect. Sarbatta Bala. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.